And now, Chester A. Bum covers the massive snowstorm in Chicago.
This is Chester A. Bum for Channel Awesome, here to cover one of the biggest snowstorms that Chicago's ever experienced. At least I think it's one of the biggest. I'd be really surprised if these wasn't one of the biggest. I'm not really sure why they have me out here. I guess they just want somebody to cover the snowstorm. Here it is. It's cold, it's white, and it's freezing my nipples off. I don't even have a microphone. It's just a marker. Sharpie. It's good reception. I'm gonna stay out here and keep you informed about how things are going. Why am I out here again? Still going. God's dandruff will not let up. It could be me, but I think it's actually getting colder. Maybe even worse. It's not like those blizzards that you get at Dairy Queen. Those are delicious. This is not. This is very cold, and it hurts. At least it would hurt if I could feel my fingers anymore, which I cannot. I had to eat my toe to stay alive. Wasn't that bad? That's bad you think anyway, but maybe that's because I lost all feeling in my tongue. Anyway, we'll keep you updated once again. Still cold. I never should have left the comfort of my box. I had a nice fireplace going until it set the box on fire, and now I have no place to live again, but that's usual. You might be looking at my current residence right now. What's wrong with you people? Why are you still watching this? I'm freezing everything off. I can't feel anything. Look at this. Nothing. I usually can't feel anything either. At least I thought I couldn't. You'd think all the alcohol and drugs would numb everything, but no. This is numb. Look at this. Okay, I'm not going to try that, but I'm sure I wouldn't be able to feel it. You people are sick. You're sick people! Why are you still watching this? Click off so I can go inside the fire! God, somebody set me on fire and be better than this! Oh God, take me now! Take me now! Well, they wanted me to come out during the night to cover it. In case you're wondering, no, I'm not standing sideways. The snow is going horizontally. I guess they wanted me to come out here to tell you if anything has changed in the night. It's pretty much the same. Oh, except for one little difference. It's colder! Take me, God! Take me in all your warmness! Or if not, God, in fact, screw God! Satan! Take me, Satan! It must be so warm down there! I'm gonna start tunneling there right now! Come on! Come on! I'll use the marker! Come on! Are you home? Oh, it's actually colder! How does that happen? Just when you think there's nothing left that you can't lose a feeling in! There goes your Johnson! The Johnson is gone! It's like there's nothing there right now! It's so cold! It's warm! Oh, what a shock! It's even colder!
Oh, hello. I have decided to do the rest of the weather report inside. Apparently, a person from across the street saw what I was doing and considered it intolerable cruelty. So, they invited me inside their house, and Channel Awesome will be looking forward to a, how did he put it, lawsuit. So, I will tell you how the rest of the storm is going. Let me just check. Yes, it is still snowing. It is still snowing. This is how most people get their weather reports. Well, actually not me. I don't have internet. I just friggin' look outside! I don't watch some poor sap getting buried alive in the snow
What's wrong with you people? Ah! Terrible people! Shame on all of you!
Well, at least I am inside right now where that nasty, horrible snow cannot get to me.